What if I told you this common weed had the ability to stop viral spike proteins from entering human cells? Here, check this out. In simplest terms, a spike protein is simply a protein attached to a virus that acts like a key, and it looks for ACE2 receptors in your cells, which happen to be locks. Now, it's interesting to note that these particular keys fit perfectly into the lock, almost like it was made for it. And then, of course, after they get into the house, they turn that house into a factory. That factory, in turn, cranks out more viruses, which pop out of the factory and infect other cells. So there is a bright side to all of this. It turns out that the simple dandelion has the ability to prevent that key from ever even getting into the lock. You see, in 2020, a study was done to determine whether dandelion would be effective at stopping specific viruses from entering host cells. So they targeted both kidney and lung cells, and it was determined that a simple dandelion extract was effective at not only stopping that one virus from entering the cells, but at least 5 of its mutations, showing promise in dandelion and its ability to be able to prevent infection. Now, how did they do it? The coolest thing about it is it was a simple water-based extract, also known as a tea. Pretty neat, huh? Now, they didn't exactly say what part of the dandelion was used, but I can personally say with over 30 years experience as an herbalist that I would probably do the leaf and the root together. That would get the most compounds out of it. Now, to make it as a tea, it'd be very, very easy. You would just use 1 teaspoon of that particular blend for 8 ounces of hot water. You can find them available all over online. You can just do a simple search, dandelion for sale. It's available everywhere. And in fact, I even happen to have some in my Etsy store. Links in the bio.